Today I'm going to go over replacing the rear brake pads on a 2012 Jeep Wrangler. Hey, if you look in on this side, that brake pad really thin compared to this other side. I actually see the groove still in it. So what I'm going to do is take this caliper loose, pull that off. I'm going to pull these pins out, make sure they move freely. Probably put some grease on them, clean them up real good. Pins feel a little funny, so this one moves. That one is not. So we're going to have to grease these up pretty good, I think.
I'm going upstairs. Okay.
What I have here is these clips. Here, I'll grab another one off here. Somehow is wearing this little bottom clip off of them, and when it does that, these start to move around on the spider, which is right there, right here. They go right there and the pads go into them. I definitely recommend replacing them. You can see this one has been moving around. See the little wear spots on it, and it causes some squeaking, makes it sound like you got a wheel bearing going out. When it's just sitting there and you get in and out of it, it moves a little bit. Take these bolts out. Pull this caliper off. Lay that up there. Now, I got a stuck pin. This one's good. That one's stuck. By it getting stuck, you can see the difference in the thickness. Replace all these. Work on getting this one loose. rubber. Take the rubber off. A little brake cleaner in it. Oof. And some lube. Keep working it back and forth. Put that on, let it soak. Alright, it's got it freed up, I think. And take a punch and a hammer. Not ready yet. Getting a little movement. Got pretty dry. A lot of rust. This one pulls right out. Now we gotta clean it. This one out. And I got both pins out. What you want to do, you get some of this ultra disc brake caliper lube, just some disc caliper lube, and you put it on these pins. You make sure they're greased up, lubed up really good, and they slide in and out freely. They'll get a little bit air trapped in there and push back out. No grease. It's cleaned out.
But yeah, I have it cleared from certain thing on one day. It starts at cleaning, but you want to stay there 6:30 or earlier. Something like that.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Okay.
On.
Huh?
On.
Oh.
We got lots of lube. Probably can't have enough lube. Yeah. Spin it and push it in slowly.
I think it's there now.
Tap that.
Yeah, it's there.
Look cute.
It's there.
Cannot see. It's actually that way. Right there. Free now. Alright. This pad goes right here. Slides in good. Go. Press your caliper back in. It's done. These are EBC brakes. They come with this little thing. So when the pad gets hot, it goes inside here. Keeps it from getting the little plastic piston hot. Alright, and we got these together. These are EBC yellow. I will let y'all know how they do. Got the brakes finished up. We're going to take it for a drive here in a minute. Doesn't take that long unless your little caliper pins get stuck, and those are pretty hard to get out. So anyway, this is a Jeep been working on. Done, I don't know, quite a bit of work to this. I'll go over it in another video. And this is another car that I'm going to be working on here and probably be posting some videos about. This is a little bit of work that I was doing to it. Somebody had put a little scoop up there. I didn't like it, so we took that out and made it flat again like it's supposed to be. Just some roller wheels, tires for it. Right now, not sure. I'll be doing an LS motor in it. There is no motor and transmission. I'll be doing LS swap and 4L60 inside it. And inside interior is not too bad. Yeah, it's got the old school 80s kind of vibe to it. Got some little flame embossed, or flame, I don't know what you call that, but they've done, whoever had it before me had done, you know, the fender skirts, they're molded into it. Got a couple spots I need to work out of it. Right here's one of them. Fix that. These are actually door skins that they had replaced. Anyway, if you would like and subscribe, I'd like to get a lot more followers and start posting a lot more. Thanks for watching.